Experiencing issues with heart rate data not appearing or tracking accurately during workouts on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Released in September 2024, these earbuds use photoplethysmography (PPG) sensors, but issues can arise due to improper fit, firmware glitches, sensor obstructions, or connectivity problems. First, ensure a tight seal in your ear. A loose fit leads to data gaps. Clean the earbuds with a soft cloth to remove earwax or sweat, which can obstruct the sensors. If wearing glasses, try removing them, as they may interfere with the optical sensors. Next, check your Bluetooth connection and ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are properly paired in Settings, Bluetooth. Make sure heart rate monitoring is enabled in the Health app. If cleaning and proper fit don't solve the heart rate sensing issues with your AirPods Pro 3, try resetting the device. Go to your Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods, and then repair them to restore connectivity. Next, ensure your AirPods are updated to the latest firmware. Open Settings on your iOS device, go to General, then Software Update. Apple released Update 7A302 in May 2025, which improved sensor calibration for better heart rate tracking. Remember, the heart rate sensing in AirPods Pro 3 is designed for fitness tracking only and should not be used as a medical device. If problems persist, calibrate the sensor via the Health app by performing a workout. Also, stay updated with Apple support and forums for the latest fixes.